Hey everyone, this is Madhvan Ganeshan, Rutik Sanap, and Abhilash Bandaligam. We are doing a real-time environmental monitoring with IoT for the Sensors and Actuators project. So here we go. So here, the objective is to measure the temperature and humidity using DHT22 sensor and to send the data to the Blynk app for real-time monitoring. What are the key features here is like to Wi-Fi enabled monitoring, simple IoT-based architecture which is cost-effective. The components we use for the hardware is like ESP32 microcontroller, DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, breadboard, jumper wires, and micro USB cable. The software we used like Arduino IDE and the Blynk IoT app in the mobile. So here is the system architecture. First, followed with the DHT22 sensor, we have to insert with the DHT22 sensor with the connection of ESP32 and also with the Wi-Fi. By connecting the Wi-Fi from the mobile app to the Blynk cloud, and it will be effectively working in the smartphone app. The DHT22 sensor reads the environmental data, the ESP32 processes and sends data to the Blynk. Data is displayed on the smartphone via the Blynk app. Here is the connection you can see here. This is what the temperature sensor. The DHT22 sensor is connected to the ESP32 model. The connections like VCC from the DHT22 to the 3.3 volt to the ESP module, and the ground to the ground, the data to the GPIO4, that is the digital pin. So coming to the next, we are going to set up the Wi-Fi and Blynk. To set up the Wi-Fi and Blynk, we have to some code like defining the Blynk template ID. So in here, we have to add our template ID, our template name, and our authorization token. We have added our template ID and template name and the authorization token, which we have developed or created in the Blynk app. I mean the Blynk app as well as the website. The reading and sensing the data and to send the data from the sensor using the temperature. We are using float for the temperature to read the temperature and for also the humidity, and to virtual VO for temperature, the V1 for the humidity. So the Blynk app setup is to download and install the Blynk IoT app, create a new project and select ESP32 as the device. And to add visuals like value display for temperature, value display for humidity as V0 and V1, just copy the authorization token and integrate into the code. That's it. And we have coming to the working mechanism. The working mechanism in the project, the sensor measures the temperature and humidity. ESP32 processes the sensor data. Data is sent to the Blynk cloud via Wi-Fi. And this is what we have done in the Blynk IoT app as well as in the website. While we connect this is the testing, this is a result, and this is the Blynk IoT app which in the smartphone. Here we can use this in smart homes and IoT automation in environmental monitoring. We can also use this in agriculture and greenhouse control. And the future scope is here we can add some local display with LED or LCD display and integrate a relay to control appliances. And we can also expand our battery power portable systems as well. Thank you. This is our project. Any questions?